The earth has a memory, and today, it chose to awaken mine. It all began in a workshop, not in the jungle, but right in the heart of Bogotá. I was surrounded by the scent of something ancient and powerful, Cacao. Our guide, a woman whose voice seemed to carry the wisdom of generations, handed us the fruit. It was heavy, textured, a promise of what was to come. Then, the magic started. We began to work the cacao, and this dark, thick cream started to form, covering my hands. It wasn't just messy, it was transformative. It was as if my hand was turning a deep, rich brown, as if the earth itself was joining me, reclaiming a piece of what had belonged to it long before I was ever born. The smell completely filled the room, a rich, earthy aroma that wasn't just a scent, but a feeling of pure, uncomplicated happiness. In that moment, it felt like my mind finally woke up from the brief, fleeting dream we call modern life. I felt a pull, a connection to something more real, more fundamental. It was a feeling of getting closer to the actual earth, to the roots of the trees that give us life, to the very fruit we were now holding in our hands. Our guide spoke with such emotion, and her words seemed to blend with the roots, with the leaves, with the spirit of the cacao that felt like it was growing right there, in that room. Here I was, in a city of millions, a bustling metropolis of concrete and steel. And yet, it was here that I truly understood the eternal, unbreakable bond that we as humans share with the earth. It was here that this simple cacao fruit, like some wise ancient magician, revealed to us the rustic beauty and the hidden perfection of everyday life. We saw how something so raw could become something so refined, yet still hold onto its wild soul. The chocolate we made wasn't just a treat. It was a story, a lesson in patience and transformation. The fruit had always been ready, waiting. And now, in that moment, so were we. It was a reminder that sometimes the most profound connections are found in the simplest of things. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to subscribe for more journeys like this one.